Welcome to Allegiance's payer authentication software demonstration. In this video, we will show you how our software authenticates transactions with the cardholder's issuing bank. By authenticating your transactions, your company will experience enhanced fraud prevention, a higher customer confidence, and eliminate the liability of chargebacks with your company related to fraud. Today, when your company collects credit card information over the phone, your staff may validate the cardholder driver's license, images of the credit card, or request a signed credit card authorization form before accepting payment. These risk mitigation procedures are proving not to be effective and continue to let fraudulent transactions slip through. Fraudsters are thinking ahead, creating fake driver's licenses to match the cardholder name on the stolen card. Allegiance eliminates this problem. Our payer authentication software provides tools to eliminate lost money from chargebacks by confirming that transactions are legitimate. Our customers using this service experience zero losses from fraud. Here's how it works. When your employees take credit card information over the phone, they will navigate to the Invoices tab on the left-hand side. Select Add Invoice from the drop-down menu below. Enter the amount of the invoice and customer's email address. Click Create and Send Invoice to send out the payment request. Notice there is a section for merchant-defined fields. Allegiance's payment portal is completely customizable to fit your company's needs. You can create and run reports on these merchant-defined fields. The cardholder will receive the payment request at the email address they provided. They will then click on the Pay link, taking them to a payment hyperlink that is customized to match your company's branding. First, they will enter their information and click Continue. On the next page, the cardholder has the option to select how they are paying. After entering their card information, they will click Complete Order. Now the authentication process will begin. You can expect 98% of your customers to go through a frictionless payment experience, while some of your customers may need to respond to a challenge request. First, let's look at a frictionless transaction, also referred to as an auto-authenticated transaction. With a frictionless transaction, the issuing bank recognizes the payment device that your customer is using. This could be their mobile phone or computer that the issuing bank recognizes as an associated device with their account. In these cases, the issuing bank will auto-authenticate in the background, and the authentication happens within seconds. You will be able to see that transaction as paid in real time in our Payments portal by navigating to the Transaction Reports tab. Here you can search transactions by any of the data points listed below. View today's transactions by clicking the blue Show Today's Transactions button. The column titled ECI Status displays the verification status. To avoid being held liable for chargebacks related to fraud, you want all ECI statuses to say Verified. Customize the report by clicking the Configure button in the top right corner. Here you can add columns to the report, including any customized fields that you've added. Now let's review the customer experience when a challenge is requested. The cardholder will go to the payment request in their email and follow the same steps as before. When a challenge is requested, the cardholder will be prompted with additional steps to authenticate their identity. A trigger is sent to the card issuer's account for the identity verification. A message will pop up on the screen for a temporary code to be sent to the mobile number or email address associated with their card. In this demonstration, a code will be sent to the cardholder's phone. Once the code is received, the cardholder will enter it into the pop-up screen. The cardholder's identity has now been verified and the payment is complete. If this transaction was being completed by a fraudster, they would be unable to verify the identity of the stolen card information. The fraudster cannot get past the payer authentication software and disappears, saving your company from fraudulent transactions and eliminating chargebacks. To learn more about how Allegiance's payer authentication software may be a fit for your business, contact us at one of these methods. Thanks for watching.